You know that's right.
What's up, YouTube and fellow entrepreneurs all across the world? It's your girl, China E, back to you once again with yet another one. Okay, so now I have a new, well, it's not a new site, but it's a new site for you all that don't know. This site is called Clixsense. It's a more sophisticated approach of basically a get paid to site. But they take a more sophisticated approach, and you can definitely make a little more than the rest of the get paid to sites. That's why I said it's kind of on the sophisticated approach side. So basically, ClickSense is a site where you can get paid for clicking stuff in their website, watching videos, taking surveys, and a whole lot of more. Taking surveys, watching videos, clicking on stuff. Just basically, you get paid for clicks, just clicking on stuff that they give you. Basically, this is like gas money to some people. But like I said in my recent videos, this is kind of like the piggy bank money, but it's like, in a sense, a more sophisticated piggy bank money, but it's still piggy bank money nonetheless. Okay, so basically ClickSense is another work reward site you should put in your arsenal or piggy bank. So basically you get $5 for just signing up, and you don't have to wait to get paid, but there is a threshold. I know so because I've done the research and I have joined with this site. They did give me my free $5, but there's still a threshold here. So I think it's like $25 threshold or $50 dollar threshold just to get the money or just to be paid out. But nonetheless, there's a small threshold. Go ahead, put that in your arsenal, take advantage of that, and keep it moving. Okay, so that was clixsense.com. clixsense.com. All right, and remember, guys, I don't give you any illegitimate programs. This is very legit. They do pay out. You will get what you work for here. So definitely take advantage of that. Okay, and remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl, China E, out here on these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And always stay tuned and know that there's way much more in store for you guys coming up next. So stay tuned. Like and subscribe. See you in the next vid.
You know that's right.